And we begin with breaking news out of Eastland County, where we have just learned a county deputy has died while trying to evacuate people from a series of dangerous fires there. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Ken Molestina. This is CBS 11 News at 4 o'clock. We've just learned that deputy's name, that's Barbara Finley, who we're talking about. The Cisco Police Department posted the horrifying news onto their Facebook page. We've reached out for more details, and as soon as we get them, we will pass them along to you. Meanwhile, firefighters from across the state are in Eastland County right now. They're trying to tamper down some of these wildfires out there. There's several of them, 4 in fact, and they're collectively being called the Eastland Complex. It has grown to more than 45,000 acres, and it is only 10% contained as of last check. To help put that flames out now, 3 large air tankers, some helicopters, and 3 Fire Boss single-engine air tankers have been called out to help. Let's give you a look now of what we're talking about, where Eastland County is. It is about 85 miles southwest of Fort Worth. Governor Greg Abbott will be in Eastland, we're being told, in about 90 minutes from now. CBS 11 photojournalist Jake Shannon is making his way there now. And Jake, you have been in that entire area all day. Of course, we're talking 40,000 or so acres that have burned. What have you seen?
Ken, I'm in Eastland, Texas right now, where wildfires have ravaged through the community, scorching tens of thousands of acres of land. Now, firefighters are hard at work trying to put it out. I'm going to take you to some video that we shot earlier. The fire continues to ravage through these fields. You can see these bales of hay burning up, along with just grass and weeds. It's causing major problems for firefighters. As you can see, the high humidity, or the low humidity, the high winds are really making it near impossible for them to contain. You know, this is one of 4 major fires here in Eastland County, but just miles up the road in a town of Carbon, Texas, almost every square inch of the city has been destroyed. We're told as many as 60+ homes are now completely leveled as fire has made its way through last night. Some folks we spoke with just getting home, just getting off of a plane, saying that they're lucky coming home and trying to find out the fate of their home, and also telling me that they just learned that 1 person had been killed.
It hurts. It hurts bad because, I mean, everybody in this community, we all help each other, and that's what she was doing, was trying to help somebody. And, you know, probably most of my very close friends right now are out fighting the fire, and you can see the smoke right up there, and, you know, they're in harm's way.
Yeah, Ronnie tells me his house made it, but now he's got to go out and recoup everything that he can. All of his 50 acres completely burnt. He was actually going to load up and try to go get some hay and recover some hay for some of his livestock. Coming up at 5, I'm going to take you to Carbon, where the hardest hit area, you know, some people are coming home to absolutely nothing. We also understand, too, Governor Greg Abbott is on his way to Eastland. We're going to be here live to cover that and stream that to the interwebs. Live with Mobile 11, Jake Shannon.
Yeah, Jake, before we let you go, I wanted to ask you, because we were looking at the aerial pictures, from Chopper 11 of the entire area. I mean, it is vast, and you can see just how scorched the ground is there. What are you hearing about reinforcement teams that might be headed out this way? Any departments from North Texas sending crews out to help?
Ken, that's a really good question. Yes, we're hearing that Dallas Fire Rescue, Fort Worth Fire Department, and Grand Prairie Fire Department have all sent not only some personnel, but even some equipment. I understand maybe some brush trucks, something to help out, just much needed as they are going to need as this fire continues to ravage through these communities.
Right, and again, only 10% contained out there. Hey, Jake, thank you very much for that, the live look and for the explainer. Stay safe out there. We're going to check in with you, I'm sure, a little later on in the afternoon. Thank you very much. That's Jake Shannon, photojournalist, live from Eastland County. You know, the winds are not helping crews out there, so let's go ahead and bring in First Alert weather meteorologist Blake Matthews for a look at some of that. And the radar is even picking up some of these plumes, right?
It is. Check this out. This is current radar plumes here across North Texas. You can see we've got a fire up there near Bowie, but it is clear to see, very evident, where the big fires are currently burning there in Eastland County. And you can see that smoke plume. We'll zoom on down a little bit where it's really intense there. very close to the town of Carbon again, and just to the north of May and southern portions of Eastland County. As I expand the view here, you'll notice just how long these smoke plumes are. In fact, taking it all the way almost into the Houston area and clear out into the Gulf of Mexico. The fire out there near San Angelo, look at the smoke plume going all the way down into northern Mexico. So the state is smothered in smoke this afternoon, and hardly a cloud in the sky as far as weather is concerned. So it just goes to show you that you don't necessarily have to have lightning, thunder, and tornadoes for a natural disaster to be occurring. And I'll tell you, with the amount of drought that is ongoing across the state, this is certainly becoming a dire situation. The winds are not helping the situation at all. 15, 18, 22 miles an hour there at Dallas, 20 there in Cleburne. And these winds will continue over the next couple of hours, but they will subside as we head into the overnight hours tonight. Dew points remain very low. Couple that with the very dry ground and in severe to extreme drought, and we have critical fire weather in the forecast through the coming weekend. But we are in for a healthy dose of rain as we head into early next week. In fact, we have declared a first alert weather day for Monday. We'll give you the full rundown on that coming up in your full forecast.
All right, we'll see you then. Blake, thank you very much. Of course, we are staying on top of this continuing story. We're going to bring you the updates on air and online at cbsdfw.com.